Yeah, come together, y'all. Woo! Let's go.
There are many ways we can take care of our earth. Together we can finally show her how much she is worth. But there is only one place that all of us call home. It is this pale blue dot of ours that we freely roam. We can take our cans and sort them into a different bin and buy things with less packaging. To score another win. Simple things like less paper waste. Stop pollution's haste. Allowing all to view Mother Nature's perfect taste.
Wash out jars, cans, and other recyclables so they're clean.
Yeah.
That's a step as vital as using less polystyrene.
Yeah.
Reusable bags and food containers make a lot of sense.
Yeah.
It takes just a little thought to make a really big difference.
Oh yeah. Let's come together and show Mother Earth how much she's worth. Think of future generations, but she's not just our Earth. Let's ensure the world's survival.
Come on, we gotta survive,
And
y'all.
reduce, reuse, and recycle. Yeah.
Let's go.
We can walk instead of drive to close places every day, or ride a train or catch a bus if it's too far away. Sharing a car can limit emissions too, it's true. Sometimes biking might be the best thing that you can do. There are always lots of chores that people need to get done. All that running around in cars is never really fun. If errands were combined and finished all in one trip, it would save some gas and carbon emissions would dip.
Every effort we take to reduce the footprint we make matters more than you think, because the whole world is at stake. Tiny snowflakes join into an avalanche with power. Saving energy counts every single kilowatt hour.
Let's come together and show Mother Earth how much she's worth. Think of future generations, but she's not just
I like this.
Earth.
Let's go.
Let's ensure the world's survival.
Survive,
And
y'all.
reduce, reuse, and
Recycle. Let's go. Turn it up.
fresh water is one of our most precious commodities. With little changes we can make a big difference, you see. A running faucet isn't trying to run away. It's wasting water and running up your bill each day. You can also pay more attention to the foods we eat, cause some use lots of water to create that tasty treat. It takes hundreds of gallons for just 1 pound of beef.
Just what?
Smarter eating gives our world some much needed relief.
That doesn't mean we can never use water to have fun. It just means to be careful, not to let the faucet run. Sure, making changes to routines can sometimes seem tough, but life in a polluted world, that'll be pretty rough. It will.
Let's come together and show Mother Earth.
Let's come together.
She's worth. Think of future generations, but she's not just our
It's not just
Earth.
Let's think about the future.
Let's ensure the world's survival.
We ain't done yet.
And
Let's
reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Let's go.
Changing an old light bulb is more than an epiphany.
It really is.
It's also a good way that you conserve more energy. LEDs are just as bright and last many hours long, removing tons of emissions that really don't belong. Turning lights off to save money